spending the school holidays stuck on the couch.
I wasn't feeling very well. I was really tired.
Recovering from a 3-week bout of whooping cough, 11-year-old Cooper Williams is one of more than 1,300 Queenslanders diagnosed in 2024 alone. This time last year, the number was 20.
He got diagnosed initially with influenza A, and the next day whooping cough, and the following day was mycoplasma.
A triple threat, not just an unfortunate coincidence. Doctors also reporting an early spike in flu cases.
And that's because our immunity has dropped off over the last 2 or 3 years.
A result of COVID lockdowns. Queensland Health recommends women get vaccinated between 20 and 32 weeks of pregnancy. It's also suggested all adults get a booster every 10 years. But many of our most vulnerable are already behind.
There's probably 30,000 children who aren't up to date, and half of those are at least under 1.
Doctors pleading with patients to get their little ones up to date. A small jab that could save a life. Jordan Bissell, 7 News.